What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about why you should not lose your faith in cryptocurrency. So today is not the day to be losing your faith in the crypto markets. Let's get into a little bit about why that is. I appreciate every one of you guys tuning into this channel. I love every single one of you. Thank you so much for the support that you have given me over the years. We have a lot of exciting things coming in the crypto markets. When I look back at this channel, I created it back in 2016 and 2015. And to be honest with you, it still feels like crypto is just barely new. Like this technology just came out, because of how much growth there is coming in the crypto space. So we'll get straight into today's video. Before we get started though, if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button as well as sharing this video with your friends. I really appreciate you guys helping bring this content to other people so they can get financially free as well, which is exactly why I created this channel, because there's not a lot of information, especially when I first started. Not a lot of information about crypto, not a lot of information about investing, and really there wasn't a lot of good information about how to make money if you're just a normal guy, you know. So why I made this channel is to help you guys learn these things, how to invest, how to trade crypto, how to look at these markets, and really how to take it into your own hands so you guys can profit off of these markets. There's a lot of growth, there's a lot of movement, so that's why I made this channel. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. So as human beings, it's extremely easy for us to fall into the trap of losing faith. It's really sad that this happens, because faith really does move mountains in your life, financial mountains, relationship mountains, everything. Faith will move mountains, but as humans, we have a tendency when things get a little bit rough, when the waters get shaky, you know, when the sea is getting tossed around, for us to give up, for us to get discouraged. So what I'm telling you guys today is do not lose your faith in Bitcoin or the crypto markets as a whole. You guys, Bitcoin cryptocurrency still has so much growth. You guys, crypto is going to have a massive run. Crypto is absolutely going to exceed your expectations. Prices are going to go vertical, and this market will behave as it has historically, which is very, very bullish. There's always corrections, there's always downside. If we look at cryptocurrency or even Bitcoin, we can look back at the chart and I can show you time after time that this market has dropped 80%, 70%, 60%, and then went on to see 20,000% gains, 100x, 50x, whatever. So this market has a tendency of seeing large corrections and large bull markets. So the reason I felt it was important for me to make this video today is to bring back that faith, because you guys, Bitcoin is not behaving any differently than it ever has ever. In fact, it's doing exactly what it's always done, which is crash and then recover beyond everybody's wildest dreams. And so Bitcoin is not something you want to lose faith in. Right now, while prices are dropping, what we really want to do is get excited. There's so much opportunity in this market. You guys have seriously no idea. I bet that 1 to 3% of the people that watch my channel actually have any clue how much growth is coming in crypto. And that's just the truth, you guys. Most of you are completely clueless. Most of you are expecting crypto to see 80% declines, or a lot of you guys think that crypto is a scam. But to be honest with you, very few people, it's only going to be a small minority, 1 to 3%, that are actually going to have a clear view on the market. The rest of you have no clue what is going on. And so that's why I direct these videos to help open your eyes, to help allow you guys to see what the whales see. Because guess what? The whale is not the 90%. The whale is the 10% of traders and investors that actually make money. And out of that 10%, 8%, 7% are just making money because they have good trading plans. Only 1 to 3% actually have any clue what's going on with cryptocurrency, any true idea. A lot of people are going to have false concepts. A lot of people are going to have their own ideas, but very few people are just going to see the truth as it is. But the truth as it is that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency has a lot of growth left. We're worth $21,000 right now. $100,000 is my public target on this channel. As you guys know, I've been talking about 100,000 per coin since 2017, when Bitcoin was worth like 3,000. So Bitcoin is headed to prices much higher than 21,000 per coin. And just because prices in the short term get a little bit rocky, as it always has done historically, does not mean that Bitcoin will not continue in its bull market. Bitcoin is also the best performing asset in human history ever. So you better bet your butt that a lot of really smart people are investing in Bitcoin. And guess what? They're holding it. And they're not only investing in Bitcoin, they're investing in Ethereum, they're investing in Solana, they're going to be investing in a lot of coins that have high volume, strong communities, and real world use cases. And guess what? There's a lot of coins that are that way. Bitcoin has real world use cases being used every single day. I use Bitcoin to send money to my friends. Remittances is huge with Bitcoin. There's tons of daily transactions, banking transactions from US dollar into Bitcoin so that people can send money to each other without having to pay banking fees to do it. And Bitcoin isn't the only one. In fact, Bitcoin, if you watch my videos, I love Bitcoin, but it's also a bit of a dinosaur. I actually like BSV more, which in my opinion is the true Bitcoin based on my studies. But there's a lot of coins out there that are going to do phenomenally well. We're talking about Solana, which some people in the short term, they're going to have, like I said, they're going to lose their faith because of short-term drops. But this right here on Solana, you guys, is a perfect example of a buying opportunity. So do not lose your faith, you guys. There is a ton of money to be made in crypto. There's a lot of upside coming in crypto. We're going to see multi-trillion-dollar market cap again on a lot of coins. I know that Bitcoin did just barely test over, a few trillion in market cap. Actually, if we go to Bitcoin as itself and we check out the market cap valuation at its peak, you can see that Bitcoin reached just over 1.2 trillion in total market cap. And so you guys, Bitcoin is going to head into a multi-trillion-dollar market cap again. And there's just tons of money to be made in crypto. Get excited. Seriously, get excited. Don't lose faith. Keep your faith. And I promise you that if you do that, you're going to make money in crypto. It takes holding, it takes buying the dip, and it takes keeping your faith. But if you can do those things, I promise you, you're going to make money in the crypto market. So you guys get excited about crypto. Bitcoin still has a ton of upside. It's not only Bitcoin, the world markets are heavily related to Bitcoin. A lot of people are going to use that argument as being bearish, but that's because they don't understand technical analysis, because if you look at the world markets as well, the S&P 500 is in a bull flag that has actually saw a clear breakout. So if we draw this up real quick here for you, the S&P 500 saw a clear breakout of a bullish flag pattern, and so actually continuation or more upside is the probability for the world markets as well. So Bitcoin, crypto, the world markets, they do follow each other, and everything is bullish. I'm telling you guys, it's 2022 right now. I personally see this market continue to break out. I see more upside for more years yet to come. It's not just going to stop, and we're going to see more upside in crypto. We're going to see more upside in the world markets, and we're going to see more profit in our portfolio. So don't lose your faith, you guys. We got a lot of exciting things coming in crypto. I'm personally very excited. I haven't, to be honest with you, even though I haven't uploaded as much over the past little while, back in 2018 when Bitcoin hit 3,000, this is when I was the most excited about Bitcoin. And the same thing is happening right now. Both of those times I hadn't been uploading as consistently as I do in the bull market because I'm making a lot more money in the bull market and stuff, so I tend to upload a little bit more. But in the bear markets, I actually have a tendency to get more excited about crypto and about my investments, even if I'm not making as much money, because I know what's coming. I know what the bull market brings, which is really fun. So you guys, Bitcoin is going to see more upside. I do have my mastermind and my one-on-one coaching program. My mastermind program has a few slots available still. We're doing a session tomorrow. My one-on-one coaching program has only 2 to 3 slots available max, but that's live session. So, if you want to learn from me every single week and hop on a Zoom call with me and learn how to master these markets, learn from the master himself, then I highly recommend checking out my one-on-one program. Apply below. I'll also put the links for my mastermind program, but the one-on-one program is definitely the program that's going to change your life. That's the program that the mastermind program and the one-on-one are extremely similar. They're both going to change your life. The one-on-one program, the only reason I charge more for it is because we get personalized time as opposed to a mastermind class where there's, 20 to 30 people. That's really awesome. That's super beneficial for everybody. And the reason for that is because we're all asking questions. We're all working as a community. But there is still things that you learn more inside of the one-on-one. If you're a mastermind program, in my mastermind, I do have 2 to 3 slots available. I'll upgrade you, take $5,000 off the price since that's what you paid for the mastermind. But for you guys that are watching this channel, please go ahead and check out the one-on-one. This is how you're going to change your life. This is how you're going to master investing and really see clearly in the market. And if you've already made 100K, then we're obviously going to set a higher goal than that. But let's help you make your first 100K or even your first million investing. Some of my students have made more than that already. But if you do want to make 100,000 or even $1 million and learn all the tools so that you can do this on your own, so you can share your investing knowledge to others if you want to, but really just master these markets so you're consistently profiting, then join the one-on-one. Links are below. All you have to do is apply below. I'll get you inside of that program, and we'll start meeting with you every single week for 3 months until you have these markets mastered and until you have made either 100K or $1 million or even more. Like I said, some of my students are starting out with portfolios that are already over $1 million. So it really depends, but this is where you're going to learn the tools and the resources you need to profit on the crypto space. So apply below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I love and appreciate you guys. Do not lose your faith. Big things are coming in crypto. As far as short-term price action goes, I don't really get into the short-term too much. It does remind me a lot of the 3K bottom in Bitcoin back in 2018. And it reminds me a lot of the COVID drop. Both of these corrections right here, which both of these led to huge breakouts, are almost exactly the same as what we're seeing from a psychological perspective as this recent drop from 69 down. So big things coming in crypto. Apply for the mastermind or the one-on-one. Specifically, whatever you think is going to work best for you. And I will see you guys in future videos and updates. I love you. And as always, stay profitable out there.